What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna talk about my super sick Subi. It's actually a real Subaru. This is a real JDM badge straight from Japan, guys. Just kidding. We are going to do video. My friend Andrew, he's got GTO and his brother got Mustang. Let's go! Wow. Wow, we got a race car, dude. Yeah, man. Wow, dude, this thing sounds badass. Yeah. I guess just park right here. We could chill for a sec. That's good. What's up, bro? This thing looks good. Just park it right here. We'll chill for a sec, figure out what we gotta do. Gang, gang. Alright guys, what's up? I'm here with my buddy Andrew. You guys probably seen a few of his cars from the Cruise Week videos. He had the G8 and then he was working on this car. He's just gonna tell you a little bit about the car and then we're gonna just go over it.
Yeah, I mean basically it's just an NA build, you know. It's got Corsa Sport exhaust and trip flow heads. It's got a lot of work done to it. Shout out to my man Billy. Paint job is auto flex. Got TSW wheels, but I got the welds on there now, so you can check that out. Yeah. Can't really give y'all real numbers.
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right.
No real numbers because it's a race car. But we're gonna check it out, probably do a few pulls, see how it sounds on the street, and maybe get some rollers. Let's do this. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, this thing is so dope. We got here the engine.
What? Where?
Right there, look, we spotted a Lamborghini, baby. It's a Huracan. Yes. Damn. Rev it up. See if it'll like rev back. Right. You see if we'll do something. Oh, there he goes. Ooh. Damn, that sounded crazy.
It shouldn't sound like that, man. Yeah, I think it needs more work. I think you have a knock or something, bro. It shouldn't be chopping like that.
It's a rod knock, bro. One, two, three.
Another one.
One, two, three. Oh, he's got the V12. One, two, three. Yeah, that thing's nice though. V12. But all right, guys, remember to go check them out on Instagram. I don't think you have one. That's what he was saying. You don't have an Instagram. But check out his Instagram because all the cars and stuff they'll be posting on there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below which car you think you guys would rather have, the Stang or the GTO. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.